Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are enjoying well. My name is Shabir Hussain Bhatti, and today's topic is basic date functions in Google Spreadsheet. What are these functions? Today, now, date, date value, and to underscore date. Let us see what this function will do. The first function is today, very important, very frequently used in spreadsheet. This will provide us the current system date. What do I mean current system date? If your computer date is different than the real date, it will show the current system date, your computer date. And this function is very important, as I told you, because if you are preparing a daily report, no need to change the date every day. Just use this function. This is a live function. When the date change, this formula will automatically retrieve the current system date. The second function is now. This is also similar to the date function. One thing I missed here, which is the syntax of this formula today. The right side is the formula syntax is equal to today. There is no argument, there is no input for this function, so we will keep the parentheses empty, and this system provides us the current system date. Here right side is the syntax for the now formula, and on top of that you can see it's giving us date and time, the current system date and time. It is also a live function. Whenever there is a change in the sheet, the date and time definitely will change according to the system date. I will show you while practicing as well. So there is no argument, so we will keep the parentheses empty. Date function. This function will convert the month, day, year to a date format, to a specific date format. So there are three arguments, there are three input for this function: year, month and date. So we will provide the year, month and date, and all are compulsory, so this function will convert it into date. And the right side you can see the syntax. Date value. Date value, it will provide us a value of the date. Whatever the date is, there is a value behind the date. So the computer, even Excel or the Google Spreadsheet, they are considering the date a number, so it will give us the number against the date. And the right side you can see the syntax. Date value, within bracket you will provide the date string and it will convert into a number. To date, this is reverse of the date value function. So we will provide a date value and this function will convert into date. So the right side you can see the syntax. We will provide the value, there is only one input, and it will convert into date. Yes, now this is a practice time. Let's go to the spreadsheet and see how to use this function in Google Spreadsheet. So I already prepare the template for our today's session, and let us see. Is equal to today and bracket open close, there is no input, and enter. So it gives me the date of today according to my system. If I will provide any input, it will give me the error. Is equal to today, let us say 10, it will give me error. You can see there is a red line under the argument, which means there is a mistake in the formula. NA error. so it will definitely give me the error. So is equal to today, no input, and you can just enter, so it will automatically provide the close parenthesis. So this is the way to use this function. Now is equal to, now again just there is no input, so it gives me the date with time. So the time is 23, 28 and 03. If I will make any change and then press enter, is equal to, now you can see both date will change. So I will, if I will make a one, enter, change. So with every change the date and time will change. Definitely if it is 12 hour, after 12 hour, like 12:01, this will change to 5 instead of 4. So if there is a change in the time, definitely seconds are changing every second. So you can just explore this, like just enter a number and delete, you will see the change. Okay, so date is equal to date year 2010, month 5, and day is, let us say, 1. So 2005 May 2000, 1st of May 2010. Again, if I have some numbers here like 2015, 5, 6, so I can even use it equal to date, this is year, comma, this is the month, and this is the day. So if I will change here 25, it will give me exactly the date value. If I need to know the value of this date, is equal to date value, this is the date and this is the date value, 40,229. If I will say this is the 10th 2019-10, so it will give me according to the date, whatever the date is, it will give me the value of that particular date. To date, it will give it, it's a reverse to the date value, so is equal to date, and this is the date value, then it will definitely give me the date of that particular value. Again, if I need to see the value of this date, so just copy and paste the formula, it will give the value of this particular date. And also if I need to know the date of this value, this is it. There is another method to convert the date into value and the value into date. How can I use it? By formatting. So this is the date format. Go here and just number. So you will see 42, 1 minute, 42, 154, and here 42, 154. Okay, because this is comma, and this is the reason why you will not get the right here the output undo. Okay, if I will apply this date text function, sorry, so here the same thing, I can convert it to number, or I can convert this number to the date. So this is the way. For example, this is the number, I need to know the date, this is the date, so number, I need to know the definitely the date. So this is the way we can use these functions, by using the text formatting and also by using the function. function is toDate and DateValue. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go back to the presentation. Thanks, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Follow me on my blog computerforlearners.blogspot.com. Thank you very much.